Hello guys, today we will learn how to check if our site has been submitted to Google. First, when you launch, before you can submit your site to Google, you have to get Google Search Console. You have to get Google Search Console and you submit it through sitemap. Here you click here and you submit through sitemap. I have done a video how to submit your website to Google, so you can check it and see the way to submit your site to Google. So when you come to your Google Search Console, you come here, URL inspection. So you click on the URL inspection and you go to your website. So this is my website. Now I want to check if my site has been submitted or if my blog post or content has been submitted to Google. So what I'll do is I'll copy or I'll open one of the blog posts. When it opens, I will then copy the URL. I'll copy the URL. This is the URL. I'll copy it and go and paste to the to the inspection tool. So I'll click here and go to the inspection and paste it and click enter. So it's now checking whether it has been indexed or not. So this means that Google has not indexed my blog post. Thus, travel can reduce stress, which means Google has not indexed it. So what I will do is I'll tell Google to index. So I'll click here so that Google will index it for me. So it is testing if now I'm telling Google to index my page or my content for me. So I'll go to another one. And click here and open the content. Open the content and can click the URL here. And you click and you copy the URL. Yes, so it's still checking. So Google is still checking for me. So I'll come here again and come and click here and paste it and click enter. So I'm checking whether the content has been indexed. Good. This shows that this content, how much do travel agent make? That content has been submitted or is now on Google. So if it has been submitted or it is on Google, this is how you see it. Everything will show red. But in some cases, maybe assuming the green and this page mobile view is red or any color, don't worry, you then go here, request index, and click it. Google will view it and index it for you. So this is what Google has told me. URL was added to the crawl queue. Submitting the page will not have. So which means that Google will view it and crawl it for me. So this is how you can inspect your content if it has been submitted to Google. Please guys, subscribe to my channel for more content. Thank you very much. Please subscribe. Thank you very much.